Hello, welcome to the channel The Formula for Success and Wealth. Have you ever wondered how to earn extra money while keeping up with your studies? I know how difficult it can be to balance the pressure of exams, assignments, and still find time to work. But what if I told you there's a way to earn money intelligently, without compromising your academic performance? Stick with me because today, I'm going to show you 7 practical ways to do that in 2025. I know how challenging it can be to try working while handling exams, papers, and all the responsibilities of college. You need money, but at the same time, you don't want to harm your grades or your study time. The big question here is, how can you earn money without affecting your studies and mental health? And the good news is, it's totally possible. In today's video, I'm going to share 7 simple and practical ways to earn extra money without compromising your academic life. These options can fit into your student routine in a flexible way and won't overload your time. Now, before I dive into these options, let me ask you, have you ever tried working while studying? Or maybe you've tried, but it was too hard to stay focused on your studies? If you identified with any of these situations, you're in the right place. Let's see how we can solve this with practical solutions. So, how can we earn extra money without letting college take a back seat? I've prepared 7 super practical options that you can start applying right now, without sacrificing your study time. Let's check them out. The first option is freelancing. If you have skills like graphic design, writing, translation, or programming, you can start working as a freelancer. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you find clients and offer simple projects that you can work on in your free time. Start by creating a simple portfolio, and over time, you can increase the number of projects you accept. The great thing about freelancing is the flexibility. It allows you to set your own working hours and choose projects that you feel comfortable with. The second option is private tutoring, which is an excellent way to earn extra money. If you're good at subjects like math, English, or history, you can offer private lessons, either online or in person. Websites like SuperProf and other teaching platforms allow you to sign up and start offering lessons to other students. The best part of this model is that you can schedule lessons according to your availability and charge by the hour, making it very flexible. The third option is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn commissions for every sale made through your link. Platforms like Amazon Associates and Hotmart are great places to start. If you're into social media, you can promote these products on Instagram, TikTok, or even through a blog or YouTube channel. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is that once you create the content, it can continue generating passive sales with little additional effort. The fourth option I want to share with you is selling used items. If you have old books, clothes, electronics, or even furniture that you no longer use, you can sell them on platforms like OLX, Enjoy, or Mercado Libre. Many times, these items are just taking up space at home, and they can become a good source of extra income. Just take good pictures and write clear descriptions to attract buyers. It's also a great way to give a second life to items you no longer need. The fifth way is content creation, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, or blogs. If you enjoy sharing knowledge or hobbies, this could be a great option. Content creation can become a source of passive income over time through ads, partnerships, or sponsorships. Choose a niche you're passionate about and start producing videos, posts, or articles. As you grow your audience, you can monetize the content in various ways. The best part is that as you keep creating, the monetization opportunities keep growing. The sixth option is temporary or event jobs. There are always opportunities for people willing to work a few hours during the week or on weekends. Events, fairs, or promotions in stores often need temporary workers, and these jobs usually don't require a long-term commitment. Websites like LinkedIn and Indeed can help you find these opportunities. They offer flexible hours and a great way to earn money without affecting your studies. Finally, the seventh idea is offering consultancy or specialized services. If you have specific knowledge, you can offer consultancy to other students or even people outside college. You can provide academic coaching, help with study organization, or even teach something you've learned in your field of study. This type of service can be charged by the hour, and depending on demand, it can generate a good income without requiring too much time. The advantage is that you're offering something based on your knowledge. Now, you might be wondering, do these methods really work? Let me share a few real-life examples to inspire you. I met Joao, a student in business administration, who started giving private English lessons and now covers most of his monthly expenses with that. The most interesting part is that he was only dedicating 2 hours a week to this. Another example is Larissa, who began working as a freelance graphic designer while still in college. At first, she took smaller projects, but over time, she started working on bigger projects and increased her income. These are clear examples of how you can start small and gradually achieve financial independence without sacrificing your studies. Now that you know your options, it's time to act. Choose the one that best fits your routine and start applying the tips you've learned here. Remember, your financial and academic journey can go hand in hand. You just need to find the right balance. If you like these tips, don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and share with your friends. Also, tell me in the comments, which of these ideas are you going to try first? Let's keep talking about how we can improve our financial life while studying.